Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can connect Printful to TikTok Shop. So this is my Printful account that I created recently. And first step, you need to design your product. Once you design your product, here you have an option connect your store. Click on start, and here you can see an option of choose your store platform. And TikTok Shop is also there. Click on choose platform here, but here you can see that there is no TikTok Shop. Here you can see that it is recently added. Previously it was not there, so here it is. You simply need to click on connect, and here you can see the process that you need to follow to register your account onto the TikTok Shop. And here you can see that authorize the Printful app. So if you have a UK account, click here. If you have USA account, click here. So I have UK account, so I need to click here, and then it will open my TikTok shops and shop, where I need to complete the sign up process of the TikTok shop. Once I complete the sign up process of TikTok shop, I can easily connect my Printful to my TikTok shop. So this is the process by which you can connect Printful to TikTok shop. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.